Misty had puppies. Misty, are those your babies? Oh goodness, hi. Are those your babies? Huh? Okay, let's see how many are Misty. There's 1, 2. Misty. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Misty, you gotta move your head. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look at them. Hi. Look at this little baby. Look at this boy. Look at all those puppies.
Look at that huge paw.
Ah!
Comet, what do
Comet.
you Comet. Oh, there we go. You're a happy puppy. Yeah, I'm
A
gonna
good
have
mama.
to change my clothes. Yeah.
He's a good mama.
Here's a puppy right here.
He's a big boy.
Comet.
Comet. No. Comet.
Comet.
You're not the star.
smiling at
You're
me.
not the star of the video right now.
He's smiling.
Comet.
Hi. You want to give a high five?
You're not supposed to be the star of the show right now. The puppies are.
Comet is the star of the show all the time, aren't you? Flap over. You're gonna flap
Puppies.
over. Ready?
Baby fluffs.
You're gonna flap over.
Are you cleaning your babies? Cookie. Hey, Cookie.
Now.
Hi. Oh, gosh.
Hi, guys.
By the way, these are our cows. Annabelle's the big one. Then that's Clarabelle. And wait. Over there, I don't know if you can see him very well, but that's just Cowboy. Comet! Stop trying to be the center of attention. We're trying to video the puppies.